Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 69 plate Renault Kadjar S Edition. This is the 1.3 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Highland grey metallic, and it's covered just 37,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very high specification, low mileage petrol Renault Kadjar. Very similar to the Nissan Qashqai, same platform, just a slightly different look and slightly different interior, but very much similar in terms of its running gear and so on. This is a September 2019 registered car. It's covered just 37,000 miles from 2 owners. Got these lovely 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in really good shape all the way around. Very good service history, 4 recorded services, so less than every 10,000 miles, so properly well maintained throughout its life, and looks a really classy thing in this Highland grey, which is a silver really. Nice metallic with the black trims and those alloy wheels. Looks a really good looking family car. £190 a year to tax. This is the 1.3 turbocharged petrol with 160 brake horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox, so goes very nicely indeed. Nice high driving position, sensible fuel consumption, over 40 on a combined run, and a sensible insurance group as well, so it does tick an awful lot of boxes if you're looking for a high spec family wagon. It's keyless entry and keyless start, and then as we have a look inside, we've got this half cloth and leather interior with the blue stitching, leather centre armrest. There is a very slight amount of wear just on the inner bolster on this driver's seat, but we always like to be as thorough as we can be, but just thought we'd make you aware of that. I don't think it detracts from the overall look. If you look at it from here, you can't see anything at all, but just something to be aware of. Remote locking, it comes supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. You've got Kadjar embossed into the kick plates. It's got its Kadjar carpet mats, start-stop facility, along with an eco button. Steering wheel's in excellent condition. On there you've got controls for your Bluetooth, you've got your trip computer there, and then you've got your settings for your cruise control, automatic lights and wipers, push button start, 37,000 miles. Nice storage in there, twin layered, couple of cup holders, electronic handbrake with cruise control and a speed limiter, 6-speed manual gearbox. I really like this blue stitching which runs throughout, I think that looks great. All your handbooks are in the glove box. Down below we've got some more storage. We've got a 12-volt socket, we've got 2 USB ports along with an auxiliary, and then up above dual zone climate control, and then a touchscreen display at the top. I won't go through it all, but you've got satellite navigation, of course, you've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, and you've got your car settings and everything in there as well. And also, if I put the car into reverse, it has front and rear parking sensors which come up on the park pilot there, and you've also got a nice big reversing camera at the back as well. And then up above, I suppose it's a French car, so the pièce de résistance, a full-length glass panoramic roof, which is in great condition, and it's got electronic blinds, so you just push the button and here comes the blind. So if you do have children in the back, obviously you can cover them for that, but that's a really nice touch, lets an awful lot of light in. Into the rear, loads and loads of leg room, electric windows in the back, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX of course for the child seats, a fold down centre armrest with a couple of cup holders, and you've also got another 12-volt socket and 2 USB ports down below as well. So it's a really well thought out family car, all in really good condition, door cards, etc. And then round to the back to the boot space, which is impressive. Split folding rear seats, you've got a parcel shelf at the top, and then this lovely twin layer boot space, so you've got a nice flat loading area at the top. Both of these come out as separate shelves to give you some more space down below, and then underneath that you've got your inflation kit and all your other bits and bobs. So there we have it. September 2019 Renault Kadjar S Edition. 1.3 turbo petrol with a manual gearbox and 160 brake horsepower. 37,000 miles from 2 owners with a full service history. Cracking spec including the full-length glass panoramic roof. Partial leather interior, cruise control, sat-nav, reversing camera, all the nice bits along with those 19-inch wheels. Finance is available from less than £220 a month, based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT. We're also going to be replacing a couple of tyres and 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Stunning example, really looks the part. I think this will be popular at this kind of money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.